In today's video is December's giveaway. So if you guys want to know these amazing prices and how to enter, please stay tuned till the end. Hi guys, I'm Kelsey and this is Always Sunshine, where we try to bring a little bit of sunshine to your makeup. And yes, it is finally here again, our monthly giveaway, but today's is special because it is our holiday December giveaway. Guys, I do have some amazing products, but before we get into those babies, you guys already know I have to remind you to please like, share, and subscribe. Also, you can follow me on Twitter and on Instagram, a little bit of love over there, a little bit of love over here. Yes, guys, December giveaway is here, and with that being said, now we're gonna get into these babies. So the first product I do want to show you guys, it is a 12 Days of Glow, and it is from Freeman. They are face masks. This is a palette. As you can see, guys, the lucky winner will be receiving 12 full almost 2 weeks of facial treatments from Freeman, this baby right here. I do not want to tell you the retail price because since there are gifts, I don't want to tell you guys the monetary of this. I just want to do this like it is from me to you as a gratitude of you guys following me, if you guys liking my channel, you guys liking my unboxings and all of those stuff. So no monetary value for none of the products, but you guys know that some products are a little bit expensive, some products are way more expensive, as you guys will see as I go into the video. But this is the first product, and it is 12 face masks. Next product, in conjunction with the face masks, I was thinking, maybe I should get these guys some applicators. And I had received from Cosmetics these two face applicator and cleaners. Oops, excuse me, I'm the wrong. And cleaners, and it is say here how to use the cleaning brush. You do get two brushes. One is a cleaning brush and the other one is a dual side silicone mask applicator. So that will go in handy with this baby right here. It does tell you guys exactly how to use both of the brushes, and like I said, one is to to clean your skin, and then the next one you could use it in conjunction with the first prize to actually apply the masks. These baby are on the little bit more of the expensive side. I did receive it in an unboxing, so if you guys do watch my videos, you know how much exactly those baby retail for. Another thing for the face that I wanted to get you guys, it is the Marc Jacobs Dew Drops, and this is the coconut gel highlighter. This is what this baby looks like, and in the back it says that this is a luminous instant product. As soon as you put it on, you guys will see the actual glow. You could put it by itself, or if you want to, you could use it in conjunction with your moisturizers. Yes, I know you are liking it, Marc Jacobs girls. Next thing I did want to throw into this giveaway was from Tarte. It is the TARTE SEA Surfer Curl Volumizing Mascara, and it is in the shade of black. This is what the puppy looks like. And right here, it does say that it is formulated for eye-opening volume curls. It does have vitamin E to condition your lashes and also plant waxes for the length. This baby right here will do all those three things, girls. It will lengthen, strengthen, and volumize your lashes in one product. So I am very happy to be throwing this in the giveaway. Next product I'm gonna be giving away, it is from Dose of Color, and it is a concealer, and it says Meet Your Hue Full Coverage Concealer. It is in the shade of medium 20. I do own this product, but I have it in a darker shade. I have it in shade, I think it's 21 or 22. So 20 should be a little bit lighter than my complexion. This baby is also on the little pricey side. Another thing I wanted to throw in, because of the comments, you guys had told me that you wanted some brushes. I'm sorry I couldn't get a full set of brushes, but I did want to give you the ones that I actually like. So if you guys watch my videos, you know that I've always say my favorite brushes are mode brushes. So I did receive these two, and I do want to throw these in because, like I said, these are the ones that I could tell you guys that I'm totally in love with. These are my go-to brushes. These two are, it says a two-piece ultimate eye sculptors. It is a crease brush and a tried eye M27 brush. These are for when you want to do cut creases, for when you want to blend it out. These are my two go-to, so that's why I'm throwing these babies in. Another product is the LoveCraft Beauty, and these are some highlighting, excuse me guys, these are some blush colors in this set. You are gonna receive, the lucky winner, 3 different shades. Is Alfina, Delphine, and Ascalia. This is what those babies look like. They do have the film on them, so that's why I opened it. It also does have the mirror that I love, 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 and it also does have the name of the shades. And this baby was from LoveCraft Beauty. And last but not least, you know guys, I was not gonna leave you without a palette. I do want to throw in the Ipsy Fireside eyeshadow palette by IBY. I don't know if it's IBY or EB Beauty. This is what this baby looks like. It does have 9 shades, 4 mattes, and 5 shimmers. And they do promote that they will give you very pigmented. They're very fiery. They say they say that they are for the type of personality. So since this is the Fireside palette, I'm guessing if you have a fiery personality like me, this palette you will love. Like I said, it does bring 9 shades, so you guys should get some very nice variations. Somewhere around here, the screen, I'm gonna try to actually put the colors of this palette up so you guys can see what the 9 shades actually look like. These are the products that one lucky winner will be receiving for the month of December. So these are all the amazing products one lucky winner will be receiving for December's giveaway. I personally am excited for whoever is going to receive the Marc Jacobs Dew Drops in the Coconut Gel Highlighter. I myself personally have not used this product, but I heard some amazing reviews about it. Guys, before I forget, I do want to remind you to please like, share, and subscribe. And talking about subscribing, those are one of the rules for the actual giveaway. You guys must be subscribed to the channel. And 2, you do have to write hashtag in capital letters the word Santa, because as you guys know, this is the holidays, and as you've seen the tradition, I try to use like whatever theme is going on. So for this actual giveaway, in this video below, you have to write hashtag all capital letters the word Santa, and to also be subscribed to the channel. Those are the only 2 requirements for these amazing products. Guys, I am Kelsey. This is Always Sunshine. You can follow me on Twitter and on Instagram. Like I always say, a little bit of love over there, a little bit of sprinkle over here. I do want to wish everybody happy holidays, Merry Christmas. Also, everybody that enters the giveaway, good luck to everybody out there. This is Kelsey. A lot of kisses. See you in the next one. And don't forget to please watch these 2 videos.